So I was getting a printing problem where some of these corners were not being filled. They would just leave gaps, and I thought, okay, we can try to do a calibration bed test, and that turned out fine. And I said, okay, let's do a cold pull, and let's what else did I do? Let's try to increase the flow rate. Let's try to slow it down. None of that worked. Increasing flow rate only made it worse because it was over extruding. So, I always think I know everything, but then I keep learning more. So, what in this case I had to do, since it's just fine details, like these are really small corners, what we ended up doing was changing if I can find it again, here. So I'm doing a layer height of 0.2, and I think these were defaulted over here for the extrusion widths, right? These were like 0.45, which was too fat. So when you have fat widths, obviously, they're not going to be able to fill some of the cracks. You need thinner widths on your extrusion. So we ended up moving it down to 0.3, and we did the top solid infill because we want the top widths to be like we want those corners to be filled in the very top of the thing, so to get a nice finish. We want the very bottom, the first layer, to be nice too, because when you flip it over, you don't have those gaps either. So we did 0.2 on this. So we just keep tightening these widths basically, and it seemed to fix my problem. So just keep that in mind. It may not be your settings or your printer. It might just be the width of your extrusion that you can try to tweak and make it a little finer to see if they can fill those cracks better for you. So